Future of Cars. Insights from 2030 to 2050. The dawn of AI-designed automobiles. The automotive industry has moved beyond incremental evolution into an era of radical transformation, fueled by artificial intelligence, AI, and the shift toward sustainable energy. It is no longer just about improving engines, but about completely redefining the concept of mobility. Inspired by insights from the Autotopgear channel and blog, this book provides an analytical outlook on the future landscape of cars, from 2030, where electric vehicles dominate, to 2050, where mobility becomes multidimensional. 1. The Electric Vehicle Revolution Redefined, 2030. By 2030, electric vehicles, EVs, will not just be an alternative, they will be the standard. Development will focus on solving current challenges. 1.1. Solid-state battery technology. Solid-state batteries will become the dominant technology, doubling energy density and significantly reducing charging times. This will finally eliminate range anxiety. Solid-state batteries, 2030, versus current lithium-ion. Feature: current lithium-ion, solid-state, 2030. Energy density: 250 to 300 watt-hours per kilogram, 500 to 600 watt-hours per kilogram. Charging time: 0 to 80%, 20 to 40 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Safety: fire risk, nearly non-flammable 1.2. Level 4. Autonomy, Level 4. Autonomy, driving without human intervention under specific conditions, will be the core feature of luxury cars and shared services. AI systems will be integrated into the car's design, transforming it into a mobile personal assistant rather than just a means of transport. 2. The Hypercar of Tomorrow, 2040. In 2040, hypercars will be the true battleground for AI technology and design. AI-optimized aerodynamics. AI will continuously design car bodies during flight/driving. Panels and air vents will change in real time to achieve maximum efficiency or downforce. This will make cars from brands like Bugatti and Koenigsegg appear as living, breathing creatures. Ultra-hybrid power. Hypercars will rely on a mix of high-performance electric motors and potentially new types of synthetic fuels or fuel cells to provide power exceeding 3,000 horsepower while maintaining a zero-carbon footprint. 3. The transformation of urban mobility, 2050. By 2050, urban mobility will undergo a radical shift as private car ownership diminishes in favor of shared, multidimensional mobility solutions. Modular vehicles. Vehicles that can be modified as needed will emerge. Your morning commute might be in a small autonomous pod that transforms into a larger family unit in the evening by connecting to additional modules. Personal aerial transport, eVTOL. Electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL vehicles, commonly known as flying cars, will become a reality in major cities, reducing ground congestion and opening new paths for transit. How AI art shapes car culture. The content provided by the Autotopgear channel through AI designs is not merely entertainment, it is a window into the future. These designs inspire engineers and prepare the public to accept unconventional forms and technologies.